in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a circular blur effect on the GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Filters tab at the top, and then you want to go down and select where it says Blur. And then on the right side, you want to locate where it says Circular Motion Blur. Go ahead and select that. And then you can make your selection preferences where it'll appear on the page, and then select OK to confirm. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.